it's Michelle with the Erica Diaz Team, and today we are at Parkview Square by Ashton Woods in Hamlin. They are 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, starting out $479,990, just under 3,000 square feet. Let's go see what Mallory's up to.
And welcome to the first floor bedroom. This room could double as a home office. It even has its own private suite. Now let's go check upstairs, see what's up there.
And on the second level, you have this beautiful, huge living space. Lots of windows, allows for lots of light. Not only that, you have this beautiful gourmet kitchen, huge island for great entertaining, along with a dining space. Now let's see what Cassie's up to outside.
Now at Parkview at Hamlin, every single townhouse comes with a patio on the second level. So feel free to enjoy your morning coffee, your evening wine, and even better, this location, you can see the Disney fireworks from here. Now that's a dream come true. Let's head upstairs and see what else we have.
Okay, here we are on the third level. You guys, there is a laundry room right off of the 2 bedrooms, perfect and convenient. And check out this well-appointed secondary bedroom. It has lots of space, a walk-in closet, and its own bathroom. This could be yours. Take a look. Now I'm passing it off to Tambria to show you the primary.
Hey guys, I'm here on the 3rd floor of this stunning Ashton Woods townhome in the primary retreat. It's flooded with natural light, has a spacious walk-in closet, and a luxurious ensuite with sleek modern finishes. It's the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long, hard day.